It is my pleasure to introduce the Galaxy Note 10.